Hello people from the crypto world, hello crypto Vista lovers, welcome to this small news flash. It's about Myria, you know. I made a video about Myria node distribution rewards actually yesterday for you guys, but I saw the publication of a very important, in my opinion, a very important announcement through the Myria website with something I want to share with you because it's concerning notes, and that way it's related to the post I made yesterday. So it showed up under latest updates and news last night, but it was a little too late to make the record. But when you go to through their Medium, it's top of the list. It's announcement concerning the node license price. They do an adjustment amidst soaring demand, as they write themselves. Let's have a look at it. I told you in the video yesterday that the prices of a node were like about 4,500 US dollars as of recording in the video, in yesterday's video. But now here's Myria with a node pricing update, which is due December 8th at 8 o'clock UTC. And it says that over the past week, the enthusiasm and support from the growing community have propelled Myria to new heights, which is actually a fact. It's broadly picked up and it's steadily rising. So we're seeing some great perspectives for this Myria platform as a whole, and the people of Myria also understood that, and they're taking those price actions accordingly. As I explained yesterday, over time, over halving cycles, prices of our rewards will decrease in amount of Myria coins you will receive as more nodes will enter the space, but that will, normally it should be countered by the rising prices of the Myria coin itself, which stands at 0.0118 and some little digits behind that. So roughly one US dollar cent at the recording time of Friday the 8th of December around 11 o'clock AM. So that said, nothing I say is financial advice. As you all know, I am not a financial advisor, neither am I a magician or a future seer. I don't have a crystal ball, so that involves that anything I say is just for my own education and to entertain you guys. Nothing that I say can and will force you to buy coins of any kind. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just an enthusiast behind a microphone. That said, the Myria nodes, let's get back to it. The Myria node pricing update. In a nutshell, I'm not going to read the whole article, although it's only a 2-minute read, but I try to make a small news flash resume for you guys. The prices of the Myria nodes were starting at, like I said, $4,500 when they made available. But now, as the price gradually increased and more nodes are coming into circulation, they see themselves obliged to insert some kind of price ramp mechanism in the price of nodes, which will start at December 8th at 8 AM UTC. What will they do straight away, right off the bat? They will increase the price with, hold on, $1,000. A Myria note starting from the 8th will cost you $1,000 more than it was yesterday while I was recording my video. So as from now it's 5,500 US dollars. That's a significant price increase. I know there's some negative thought about this, but I think it's necessary for the ecosystem. And for the tokenomics, because the massive inflow of nodes last couple of weeks and months was actually destroying their initial tokenomics. So they introduced a price ramp adjustment, which also means that apart from this $1,000 increase, which is very drastic in my opinion, they also implement a ramp system that increases the price of starting off that basic new price of 5,500 with 100 euros for every 100 node batch sold. Meaning they sell their nodes now at $5,500. When the next 100 will be sold, it will be 5,600. Do a quick math and calculate the 10, for instance, the 1,000 next nodes. Add them to the sales in the upcoming weeks. You will add also $1,000 to the price, to the current price, which will not be 5,500 anymore, but will be 6,500. So basically, one node sold will stand in the end, in the long run, for $1 increasing the price of a node. Although, if I'm right, they will do it in batches of $100. So, cheap nodes on Myria, that ship has sailed. Is it still worth it? Participating on a bull run and rising prices, I think it's still doable. I think it's worth it, but keep also in mind, I put it in last video's description, that money invested in the nodes as for the moment of recording is still not refundable. I'm not sure they will in the near future, but I'm quite sure they need to transform or migrate their nodes into NFTs to make them refundable, meaning that for now, when you invest, like I did, $4,500, you actually lose them. There's no way, besides the illegal markets, which I strongly advise you to keep away from. It's way more dangerous out there than it already is in the normal crypto space. You can sell them on the second-hand market if you dare to, but I would not advise. I would advise strongly against it. But anyways, officially you're not able to sell that. So that means I invested for 0.5k in my node. Those are, as for now, gone. Meaning that they are not yet refundable. They're not. They cannot be sold through their Myria platform. That can be a feature in the future, but as for now, it's only rewards and no refunds. So there's no way back. Keep that in mind. And sadly enough, this also applies for the nodes you buy through the new pricing ramp system. Meaning that when the price, and it will, believe me, it will, price will cap or will be at a certain point in time like 10k or even more. Look at in comparison to that, look at the Gala nodes, which are about they're cheap AF. You can buy them for 100k. That's peanuts. Just kidding. That's not affordable. Not for me, anyways. But keep in mind that at one moment in time, these prices will be long gone, will be out of reach for many of us, if not already so. So I thought this was very under the radar. It was posted and shared here and there on socials, but I thought I would do you a favor by publishing this small unplanned video in between to get you guys up to speed. Besides that news, it's always good to look at the medium, the official documents, etc. of any coin or crypto project you are investing in. You will always read and learn more and get more up to speed with what's happening behind the scenes. So this is actually part of what many people or every YouTuber says: do your own due diligence, do your own research. This is actually just one small part of it. Get informed, get into the documents, follow the news, sign up for the newsletters, and I always say an informed investor is worth two. But that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's fresh as fuck. AF, I mean. So help me out, motivate me a little, and just subscribe and like my channel, as it's in opposite to the price of the Myria nodes. It's still at the same price of $0.000 US dollars. Just click that subscribe and button and like my video post for the algorithm. Crypto lovers, crypto vista people all around the world, thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.